Hello my fellow crocheters, this is Yana with Yana's Crochet. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Please help this channel grow faster than my yarn stash. Hit that like and subscribe and keep the yarn ball rolling by sharing and commenting too. If you're feeling extra generous today, please hit the join button to become a member. Your support helps me keep creating new videos and inspiration for you. So now let's grab our hooks and get started. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet this stitch, this beautiful pattern that looks very complicated, and actually it's only 2 rows repeat and it's very easy. You can use any yarn for this pattern and use recommended size hook for the yarn that you choose. So you're going to begin with a slip knot, and then you are going to make a chain that's going to be multiple of 6 plus 5. So any length you're making, it just has to be the multiples of 6, and then add 5 more chains to that. Okay, so for our foundation row, you are going to double crochet into the 3rd chain from the hook and into every chain all the way to the end. And this is going to be your row 0. We're not going to count it because this is just a foundation row, the beginning. And this is going to be the only row we're not going to repeat this row. So for your first row of the pattern, chain 5, turn, and treble crochet into the next stitch. So not into the very same stitch where your chains are, but into the next stitch. So now into the 6th stitch, we are going to put a treble crochet, and this is going to be a beginning of our fan of treble crochets. Now chain 1. You're going to make a fan of 5 treble crochets, with a chain in between. So treble crochet, chain 1, treble crochet, chain 1, treble crochet, number 3, chain 1 again, treble crochet number 4, chain 1 again, and treble crochet number 5, and you have your first fan. And now you're just going to repeat the same fan into every 6th stitch. So you skip 5 stitches, and into the 6th stitch you are making that fan. I'm going to speed it up here right now. So it's 5 treble crochets with chains in between them. So after your last 5th treble crochet of the fan, you do not chain 1. And you keep doing that all the way to the end of your row. So I'm finished here. I only had 2 fans. You can have as many as you need to. Again, you're going to skip 5 stitches, and into the 6th you're going to treble crochet and another treble crochet into your very last stitch. And that's going to be the end of your row. So it's going to start with 2 treble crochets and end with 2 treble crochets. So for your second row of the pattern, you're going to chain 1 and you're going to put 3 single crochets. So in the very first stitch, you're going to put 1 single crochet, then 1 into the next stitch, and 1 into this space right here. Now you're going to put 2 single crochets into that first chain 1 space in your fan, so in between the treble crochets, then another 2 in the next chain 1 space. Here, right in the middle of your fan, you're going to chain 3. Again, 2 single crochets. And 2 more. So you're putting 2 single crochets in every chain 1 space in between your treble crochets in your fan, and 3 chains on top of the middle. So next, again, you're doing a single crochet. So you're putting single crochet in between the fans, and then again 2 single crochets in between trebles of your fan in the previous row. Now you reach the middle here, so you go into chain 3 and repeat, and you're going to repeat this pattern all the way to the end. So 1 single crochet in between the fans and 2 single crochets in between trebles of the fan, and chain 3 in the middle. And you are going to finish the row just the way you started, with 3 single crochets. And that's the end of your second row, and this is your pattern repeat, row 1 and row 2. So we're going to repeat the row 1, so you're going to chain 5 again. And you're going to put 1 treble crochet in the next stitch. And then you're going to put a fan of 5 treble crochets with chain 1 in between into that space, chain 3 space of the previous row. So I'm going to speed this up because this is just you doing basically exactly the same thing from the row 1. The same fan. And then you're going to do the next one, put the next one into that next chain 3 space. And you're going to finish up the same way you did row 1 with 2 treble crochets in the last 2 stitches. And you're stacking up the fans on top of each other. Okay, now you repeat row 2 where you chain 1, turn, start with 3 single crochets in the first 3 stitches, technically 2 stitches and the space between the last treble crochet and the fan, and then you put in 2 single crochets into each chain 1 space, then chain 3 and repeat all the way to the end. This row is exactly the same as your row 2. Putting single crochet in between the fans. And that's it. You are done. And you just keep going as far as you need to, and you have this pretty little pattern. Thank you for watching.